Man, who thought I would be a good view in front of that Federal Signal 2001? Wait. Yeah, the nearby siren is a Federal Signal 2001 DC. And I think it was the Taco Man or Rockford EAS that had the nerve to call him scary. Since we had because we had Federal Signal 2001s here. Only in Rock County, I guess. Well, it's Beloit. And there's a Tempest 128 further down. Just so you all know, on August I won't be recording the required weekly test because I got a camera and tripod yesterday because yesterday was my birthday, and I'm going to be recording that same Federal Signal 2001 DC first Wednesday of August. However, I might get the WXJ87 monthly test though.